Patent strategies for 3D printing architecture innovations. Patent opportunities in 3D architecture printing include structural designs, innovative materials, advanced processes, and functional features. Patents protect unique 3D printed architectural designs, such as complex facades, modular components, and load-bearing structures. Patents cover innovative materials for 3D printing architecture, including reinforced concrete, composites, and sustainable options optimized for strength, durability, and insulation. Patenting architectural innovations involves challenges like proving novelty, ensuring compliance with building codes, and balancing open-source collaboration with IP protection. Global patent strategies involve targeting key markets, focusing on regions with growing 3D printing adoption, and using both utility and design patents for comprehensive protection. Collaborating with patent attorneys. Patent attorneys help draft strong claims, ensure compliance, and guide global filings to maximize protection and minimize risks. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.